Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the face stretch filter on TikTok. If this video helps you out, smash that like button for me. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom of the screen where it says Discover and click on Discover. That will open up this page where you're going to see a search bar at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that search bar and then type in face stretch effect. All one word with no spaces. Now this effect actually gives you the effect directly at the top of the page. Underneath where it says face stretch effect, you can see the videos that claim to use the face stretch effect. Normally it is not here, however since it is here we can go ahead and click on it. And you can see right underneath the name of the effect it says added to favorites. You can click it and of course it'll say add to favorites, so you just click it again. And since I have already added to my favorites, it was already added, but now of course you can just add it. Yours will not say that. You can also start filming your TikTok video directly from this page by clicking the camera icon at the bottom center of the screen. However, if you want to go ahead and film your TikTok video later with this effect, just use the back arrow, and you can access these anytime by clicking on Me down at the bottom right hand corner of your main screen, and then going to the little favorites bookmark. It's right on the right hand side of where it says edit profile. Click on that bookmark, and if you go all the way to the right underneath where it says favorites, you're going to see on the right hand side it says effects. Go ahead and click on effects, and here are all the effects that you have effectively stolen from other TikTokers. Right there is face stretch, of course. You can click on it and that'll bring you right back to this page where of course you can click on the camera icon bottom of the screen and film your TikTok video with the face stretch effect. Now if you want to see what this thing looks like before you get it, let's go back. We can check out some of these videos that are using the face stretch effect. If the icon is not at the top of the screen when you first type in face stretch effect, you can actually click on this little icon at the bottom left hand side of the video using the effect. For instance, it says face stretch right next to this little magic wand. You can click on that and you'll be brought to this same screen where you can go ahead and add it to your favorites or start filming. I hope this video helped you out on how to get the face stretch filter on TikTok. If it did, smash that like button for me and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often here. Thanks for watching. Take care.